Baby. Hi.
We sleeping here.
Dr. Nish, try for us.
We sleep.
Hi.
Chidadi, somebody had been away for 94 days.
Baby, come and see bathroom. See bathroom. Come and see shower. Yafu.
This is fantastic. Hey. Baby. Let's pack our bag. Hey. Dr. Nish, try for us. Hi.
Baby, I sleep like a big man.
Oh. Hi.
Hey. Baby, massage me, oh.
Hey.
Not be juju be that.
Opportunity. And thank Dr. Nish
Chidadi,
for paying this place for us.
My dear.
Do you know the funniest thing? He told us to stay here 3 months.
Hey.
Without paying a day bill.
Honey,
What he told us to pay is only food and drink.
so the people should be knowing your life.
Hey, see, with this man, I'm okay.
Don't worry, just a play.
Chimo,
What do you want to eat?
I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Chicken.
Chicken and what?
And that rice, that colored rice.
You mean fried rice?
No.
I'll give it to you.
Oh.
You know, me, I like white soup. And pandai yam. Kaya mo boy, iba na. Kaya boy. Ayan o, so. Kaya mo na ba?
You dey call you answer now.
Napangalan biko.
Chidadi,
Good day, sir.
Bring fried rice with chicken or turkey.
Chicken.
Bring chicken and fried rice.
Okay.
Then give me white soup with pandai yam.
Okay.
After, what are you going to eat in the night?
we just pray.
It's about no problem. Anything you want, I will give it to you. You hear what she said?
Yes, sir.
Give her apple and what kind of meat?
Big meat.
Big meat. Big meat. Bring. You hear what she said?
Yes.
Okay. What I like, oh.
It's okay. Before I proceed, sir, when next you need our attention, use the landline.
Hey.
Dr. Niche.
And they made the call never.
Yes.
Dr. Niche. That need to be even.
Don't worry. Later we'll put you through. I'll put you through. So, secondly, here we sell pounded yam, just as you said, and white soup. 25,000 naira for a plate. Yes, sir.
He shot you.
Also we sell fried rice, 15,000 naira.
He said waiting.
Like you mentioned, mineral. We sell drinks here, beer, any kind of beer. We sell it 4,500.
Come on, go. Chill.
That is it, sir.
It is smoky Igbo.
Come on, go. Che.
It is take India.
That is what we sell.
Come on, go. Che. Babe,
Collect it.
tell a kaipo. Come on, go. Chill.
Excuse me.
Come on, go. Chill. All this money, Dr. Niche boy, called the Anakalina. Is that why he brought us in this hotel? You don't pay this kind of money.
No.
I don't hear what you're saying.
Sorry, sir.
Give me sorry, sir.
I mean, are you checking out?
Mba, I'm gonna take in. How about the hotel? Ebe ka na bokolo me fa nwa. Nne ko na ene manya. Ebe ka na bokolo me fa. Nno zi awon wiki. Gini ga emezi. Elephant m. You fa fele nni. You fa fele nni. E ma ga na nna kwa nyoka. E fa ka phone ya de.
Look at my face.
Okay, you don't sell cheap one, like cheap.
Ana ko na ba go. Ya so. Okay. Anyway, na bigo.
Uncle B.